Solana is at a pivotal moment. A single price level, $98, stands between consolidation and a potential surge that could redefine its 2026 trajectory. That's not just another resistance mark on a chart. It's the gatekeeper to a broader Solana breakout that analysts say could unlock a rally toward $117 and beyond. Since February, Sol has traded in a tight range between $78 and $98, forming what technical analysts call a well-defined channel. Within that range, $88 has acted as a central pivot, a psychological and structural midpoint where momentum shifts have repeatedly played out. Recently, Sol tested the upper boundary near $98, but was met with strong selling pressure, pushing price back into the mid-$90s. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. The real story is just this weekly price dance. On the monthly chart, a much larger pattern is taking shape, a classic cup and handle formation. This isn't a short-term quirk, it's a macro-level structure that suggests accumulation following a deep bear market bottom in 2022 and 2023. The cup represents the long recovery from lows, while the handle is the current consolidation phase, now playing out between $92 and $98. If Sol breaks above the handle's upper trend line, it could validate one of the most significant bullish patterns in technical analysis. Adding to the momentum, Sol has already broken out of a multi-year descending channel that had contained price since its 2021 peak. Analyst Moe noted this shift, pointing out that reclaiming that long-term trendline is a structural change, not just a price blip. Similarly, CryptoXLARG highlighted that consolidation between $92 and $95 is now serving as a launchpad, with a sustained move above $95 likely activating targets at $102.70, then $106.50, and eventually $118.26. Under strong conditions, projections extend as high as $143 or $163. The important part isn't just the upside potential, it's what a failure would mean. Support levels at $92, $89, and $78 are now critical. A drop below $92 could signal weakening momentum, but a break below $78 would be far more serious. That level is the floor of the current range and the base of the cup and handle. A close beneath it would invalidate the entire bullish thesis, suggesting that accumulation has failed and distribution may be resuming. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. The $98 resistance has held multiple times. Each test depletes selling pressure, but also risks triggering stop-loss cascades if support breaks. Traders are watching volume, daily closes, and the ability of price to hold gains after breaking key levels. Another factor often overlooked, the psychological weight of past highs. The 2021 resistance zone looms above, and breaking through it would not only fulfill technical objectives, but also shift market perception. It would signal that Solana isn't just recovering, it's reclaiming leadership in the smart contract platform race. So what's the next signal to watch? A daily close above $98, not a spike, not a wick, sustained price action above that line. Until then, the market remains in suspense. A Solana breakout is possible, even probable to some analysts, but it's not inevitable. The structure is favorable. The pattern is forming, but confirmation is still pending.